So just today, the Supreme Court weighed in on the arrest of Imran Khan. Initially, it said that it was concerned about how the arrest was carried out. It questioned its legality. And then, in fact, it has announced that Khan's should be released. It's ordered Khan's immediate release. So what this suggests is that you're going to have a new confrontation between the courts, between the Supreme Court and the Pakistani state. And that's significant because throughout this political crisis, there's already been a very big, nasty confrontation between Khan and the state. So we're looking at the prospect of two parallel confrontations playing out. The state's objective, quite frankly, is to make it very difficult, if not impossible, for Khan to be able to return to power. And so the state does not want him to be in a position to contest the elections in Pakistan, which are scheduled for October. And arresting him, of course, takes him out of the electoral picture. So even if the Supreme Court is calling for Khan's immediate release, I don't necessarily think that the state is going to be willing to comply. I think the timing is important as well. Why was he arrested when he was? Just a few days before the arrest, Khan had posted a video in which he alleged that a senior military officer was behind the assassination attempt on him last year. He'd made that allegation in the past. The military had always responded angrily by saying, no, that's not true at all. So perhaps the fact that he brought out that allegation again was simply too much for the military, was really the straw that broke the camel's back and prompted the events of Tuesday to play out in the way that they did. I think there's a strong possibility that the state may try to disqualify Khan from public office because that would make it impossible for him to participate in elections. If he's arrested and if he's in jail, he could still participate in elections from his jail cell. But if he's disqualified, that's it. And I emphasize that the core goal of the government, of the military, is to make it difficult, if not impossible, for him to participate in elections. They don't want him to return to power.